Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hobbiesbinder with another new video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make clay Ganesha easy and quickly at home. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button if you like this video and share it with your friends and family. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So friends, as you can see, I have taken here a round wooden coaster on which I have applied a texture using plaster of Paris. How to make such texture, you can comment me below. I'll share that video with you. And after the texture dry, I've applied here a orange acrylic paint. So in order to make the paint quickly dry, I have blow dried it, which is totally optional. Next, I have used here pearl metallic gold. Just rub it in your finger and gently smudge it on the texture. After a while, you will see a beautiful sign on the texture. Next, I have taken here a clay which I have made using wallputty, which is easily available too in every shop. You just have to add little bit of water in the powder and you can make a clay form. If you are unable to understand how to make this clay, you can comment me below. I'll make sure I'll share that video with you how to make a clay out of wallputty. The best part about this clay is you don't need any glue to stick these small portions. After drying, it becomes hard and joins automatically, so you don't have to worry that after drying it might come out in pieces. Nothing such is going to happen. And only one thing which is really important to know is, like any other clay, you cannot store this dough for a longer time. Whenever you are making any article, you have to make the clay and finish the article. The leftover dough will again become hard and which cannot be reformed and made soft. I allowed my project to dry completely. I kept it whole night aside so that next day it becomes hard and easy for painting. And I have used all acrylic paints here. You can use any other paint, but I prefer using acrylic paint in all my projects. And one more thing, friends, I wanted the project surface to be little rough, but in case if you want a better smooth surface for painting, you can use a sandpaper and brush it gently so that you get a smooth finish. friends, I hope you must have enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tell your friends to subscribe to my channel as well. Until then, stay safe, stay connected, keep watching Hobbiesbinder for more such interesting videos.